magical teeth whitening remedy. Get whitening teeth at home in 4 minutes. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to brush your teeth with this mixture for 4 minutes. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe us. And we are waiting for your feedback and comments.